Hello, I'm Matt and welcome back to Workshop. Let's talk about pallets. I use a lot of pallet wood in my projects. They're free and I'm cheap. There's a lot of videos telling you how to break them apart with the best way. Well, I don't think there is a best way. I think you need different techniques for different pallets. I mean, some of them have nails that go all the way through and they're bent over, or big staples that go through. They're really hard to break up. Others just have nails that go halfway through and the slats pop off. There's other quick methods that waste some of the slats, and other times I want to get every single piece of wood I can out of it. So I'm going to show you a few of my techniques. So let's get started. So we'll start with my favourite method, and that's using this Roughneck wrecking bar. I think it's the easiest way of doing it, and it creates minimum waste. And it's really just putting it in and incredibly simply popping the slats off. Technique only really works with easy to take apart pallets. Nice short nails that aren't bent over. Anything longer and we have to try something different. On this one I managed to pop the slats off nice and easily, but where these blocks are, the nails are much longer and they're not going to come off without cracking them. I mean, if the end's split, you can still use the middle bit of wood and cut it off, but if you're trying to get every last bit, I've modified this trolley jack so it fits in between. It lifts it really nicely. Move it along. Nice long nails, came out with ease. If you don't fancy the mechanical leverage options, you can always go for the power tools. Reciprocating saw with a metal cutting blade. And if you get it in between the pallets, you can cut through the nails. This is not one of my preferred methods because you have half a nail left in the board and then you have to get a punch and knock them out, and it's very easy to miss one, and if you whack them through your planers you're not going to be very happy. So my preferred way of moving the planks from these blocks is a bit of leverage again. I like a nice straight clawed hammer which you don't want to hit with another metal hammer, so I've got this nylon one. You can whack that in and then just try levering it, and I've split it. But that's the thing, sometimes you're going to. I can either glue that in back together or just cut it off. I mean, if you had a nice crowbar that would also work. There we go. So this wood's a bit wet and I've actually pulled the nails all the way through that. So probably the easiest method is just to cut the slats off. I'm going to use my track saw, but a circular saw or jigsaw would work just as well. I mean, with the track saw, you're going to get a nice straight edge all the way along, but I have made doubly sure there's no nails in the path, as I'd be very upset if I hit a nail with this. That is by far the quickest method, but you're not going to get the full length of the slat, and you're going to be left with all this wastage. So I only do it when I'm not in a hurry. No, when I am in a hurry. So that was a few of the methods I use to break up pallets. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.